Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to share files, folders and drive between computers on a network in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is, first in your search bar you're going to search for Windows features, okay, and it says turn features on or off. Open that, okay, and then you will scroll down until you find SMB right here, SMB CIFS. You're going to expand that and make sure the client, the middle one, is checked and click on OK. And this, once you click on it, it will search for files and it will download the files, and it will request you to restart your computer, so we're going to do that as well. Okay, we're going to click on restart now. Okay guys, so once it's restarted, landing on this page, okay, and then you're going to go into your control panel. You're going to search for control panel right here. Okay, make sure it's set to large icons. Go into network and sharing center, okay, and then you're going to go change advanced sharing settings. Click on that. Okay, it will bring you up to here, okay, and then in here you're going to go into network discovery right here. You're going to go into private networks. You're going to go into private networks. Make sure network discovery is turned on, and this is also turned on, okay, and file and printer sharing is also turned on, okay. So do this in private networks, not in your public networks, okay. So once this is done, you can close out of this, and go into services, search for services, okay, and then open this. So there's 3 separate service for you to enable right here, okay. So the first service will be FTP host, okay, so we're going to search for FTP host. See here, function, it is 2. So this, the function discovery provider host. So you're going to open that, okay, and then set it to automatic right here. Start it, let it auto start, click on apply, okay. So that is the first function that needed to be started. So next would be SSDP. So you're going to search for SSDP. But right here, SSDP discovery, double click on that, set to manual, apply, okay. Okay, it's already running, so let it run. So the final one will be the UPnP device host. So you're going to scroll down, find for UPnP device host, okay, double click on that, automatic, start the service, apply, okay, close this, and you're done for now. What you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. Okay guys, so once your computer has been restarted, you can now share your files, folders and drive between different computers on the network. So that's how to enable it, and yeah, so thanks for watching folks.